Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, we're going to do unboxing. And guess what? Ta-da! It's my new iPhone 12 Pro Max 128 gigabytes. And I cannot wait to unbox it for you guys. It's huge. Alright, right before we're going to unbox my new iPhone 12 Pro Max, I'm gonna give you some reasons why I purchased this phone. First, I started vlogging around May of 2021, and I have to be honest, as a content creator, I need a good quality video because I'm just using my phone every time I do vlogging, so that's the first reason. And the second reason is that I love taking photos. Actually, I have a camera, but transferring file from this one to my MacBook is really hassle. So I decided to just get rid of this, and I'm going to maybe give it to someone, and I'm going to use this phone because I've read a lot of good reviews online about taking photos and videos about this phone. So I cannot wait for this to try maybe tomorrow or sometime next week. And the last reason is because when you do vlogging or we're gonna go outside, you need something that lasts a while or a little longer. And according to the information that I have, the battery of this, like for example, if you're gonna play videos, will last for about 20 hours, or it can last for about 80 hours for audio playback. I mean, come on. Okay, I've been talking a lot, so let's get started. This is actually the best part of unboxing. The SMAR. Oh, did you hear that? I'm having a hard time to open it because I don't want to drop it. So the box is here. Look how huge is this. This is actually the case of my iPhone 11, the iPhone 11 that I'm using right now. And if you're gonna compare, look at that. And for this one, the box looks classy, and the color of this is gold, and the size is 128 gigabytes of data. So I'm gonna open it now. I mean, isn't it majestic? I usually love red color of iPhone, but this one really looks expensive. So I'm gonna open right now. Alright, so at the front, it's really sealed. And of course the button here, and the camera, the magical camera. And we're gonna open right now. Oh, music to my ears. See? Wow. Alright. And of course, the box. What's in the box? And I've read something online that this is actually different from any other ports of iPhone. So the USB-C, the one that you're going to use with the same port with the MacBook. This one. And of course, the manual. And aside from the manual, you have the logo with the sticker and the pin ejector tool and some instructions. And speaking of the box, I'm gonna keep the box because it's really cool and slick. So we're gonna set up the iPhone right now. Alright, setting up an iPhone will take a while, and as of now I'm going to update the software to 14.7.1. So let's wait for about 10 minutes. Alright, I'm gonna set up the Face ID. Okay. What is going on? My face is ugly. It doesn't recognize my face. Let's try again. That's it. Okay. Alright. Scan is complete. And I'm gonna continue with the setup. Alright, the update of the software is complete and it took longer than expected, so I'm going to continue with the setup. So I'm trying to restore the backup from my MacBook and my old iPhone, which is iPhone 11, to this new phone. So it may take a while again. So let's see. Alright. I'm almost finished with my setup and I know it took a while, so I'm going to insert now my new SIM and give me another 10 minutes. Alright, finally the setup is finished and all the applications right now is trying to upload. So my first impression is that it didn't recognize well when it comes to setting up the Face ID, so it took me a while to set it up. And also when it comes to taking good care of your phone, you have to be more extra careful because you know what? This is huge. Look at that. I can hold it, but of course, I bought something for the tempered glass and also for the case because you really need these accessories because you cannot damage this phone or else you're screwed. And when it comes to transferring my old phone service provider to my new one, that was really quick. I just inserted the SIM card and I just received a text message and I confirmed it, and then now it's ready to go. Alright, that's it for now for the unboxing video, and next week I'm going to try the new phone for taking photos and videos. So if you're new to my channel, my name is Mashu Salsa. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you again soon.